People say your hunting rifle is a tool. Your hunting rifle is more than a tool. It's a mark of your identity. It communicates who you are at the core of your being. In the depth of your soul, who are you? What you shoot reflects who you are. Here at Thomas Adventures, we have a wide variety of rifles. And each of them says something about the person that shoots them. We want to explain to you what every rifle communicates about its shooter. Our first rifle is a Rock River Arms 6.5 Creedmoor. This was the first one of these ever custom built in the entire world. Who would shoot such a beast? It's got a Night Force scope. It's got a Thunder Beast suppressor. This thing is expensive and shoots really well. The only problem is you have more money than skill. You don't know how to shoot this thing. You bought this thing to look cool with your friends, and you bought it because it can shoot a lot of rounds really fast because you know you're gonna miss on the first shot. This is a total poser rifle. This is for the guy that thinks he's cool and shoots less than a box of ammo every year. You drink Black Rifle coffee, expensive beers, wear Sitka camo, and probably don't even have a truck. Oh, there's a deer. There's a deer. Where's my rangefinder? Oh, he's really far away. 212 yards. Let me get my ballistic calculator. Need to aim 3 minutes high. 2 left for the wind. I think I can get him. He's pretty far out. Oh, I hit him. Oh, stole mine. Oh, buddy. One more. He's done. Yeah, baby. Woohoo! I got a buck. Dude, I got a deer! It took one shot, killed him. He was like 290,000 yards away and I got him. Can you bring your truck? My Subaru won't really hold a dead deer. Okay, I'll send you my location. Thanks. Our next rifle is a custom-built 300 Winchester short mag. This Remington 700 platform is a mark of precision. You can shoot 4-inch groups at 1,000 yards. You only shoot 3 shots a year, 2 to make sure you're sighted in, and 1 to kill your deer at 1,000 yards. You don't need camo, but you wear a ghillie suit just to play the part. This is the Sniper. There's a deer 2 farms away. 1,986 yards. That's 214 minutes of angle. 17 minutes of wind. Sayonara, sucker. Old scope. Fire when ready. Dropped him. Let's go pick him up. This one is the classic, the Ruger Model 77 chambered in .280, topped with a classic Tasco 3x9x40 scope. It shoots about 4 minutes of angle. But you killed the elk once at 200 yards. This thing has been passed down through the family for 3 generations. Your camo doesn't match. You drive a '67 Ford pickup, but you bring home meat sometimes.
Oh, there's a big old buck. Grandpappy would be proud. Yeah, buddy.
You're a cowboy. Our next rifle is a Marlin 336 stainless. You throw this sucker in your truck and you drive around the farm when you're working, and if a buck steps out, you'll shoot him. If not, no worries. You got 3 beef in the freezer already. This sucker is for those that aren't really hunters, they're farmers. You don't drink no Black Rifle coffee. You drive a 2003 Chevy pickup truck, and you drink dark Folgers. So dark, a horseshoe will stand up in it. Looks like we got some deer out in this hayfield here. Let's go see if we can drop one like a sack of taters. I'm just gonna pull in here by these hay bales. We're gonna sneak between them and see if we can bust us one. You won't eat my hay for free, sucker. She bought the farm. We're gonna go get the skid steer and load that sucker up. This is the Easterner, the classic Remington 870 shotgun. You hunt in Ohio, and you don't need a scope because you can't see more than 30 yards away with all the trees. You don't have a lot of teeth left, but you don't need those either, because you can always put your deer meat in a blender. You shoot double-aught buck and you shoot anything that moves. There's a big old 8-pointer.